In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sync in the Brave browser, a feature that will let you share your bookmarks, passwords, and more across all your devices. This is a fantastic way to ensure that all your information is consistent, whether you're on your phone or your computer. So let's dive right into it. First, what you'll want to do is open up the Brave browser on your device. Once that's loaded up, head over to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see an icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines, or sometimes it might be represented by a gear depending on your version. Go ahead and click on that icon, as it's going to take you to your settings menu. This is where all the configurations for your Brave experience are housed. Now that you're in the settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This panel is where you'll find a multitude of different options to customize how Brave works for you. From this menu, you're going to click on Sync. Sync is what allows you to connect different devices so they can share data with each other seamlessly, everything from bookmarks to history. Once you've clicked on Sync, take a look over at the right side of your screen. Here, you'll spot an option labeled Start a New Sync Chain. This is what we need to focus on to initiate the sync process. Click on it, and you're stepping into the world of synchronization, where your browser's data unites effortlessly across multiple devices. The next part is all about personalization and choice. You'll be presented with various categories that you have the option to sync. These include bookmarks, passwords, history, extensions, open tabs, and settings. It's entirely your choice how much or how little you wish to sync. Maybe you just want to keep your bookmarks the same across devices, or perhaps you want everything mirrored everywhere. Just check the boxes next to the information you want included in the sync. Finally, Brave will generate either a QR code or a sync code for you. If you're using mobile devices, the QR code is your go-to, and all you need is to scan this with the device you want to sync. But if you're syncing with desktops or laptops, the 24-word sync code becomes essential. Carefully note these down or have them at the ready for your other devices. That's it. You've now linked your Brave browser across devices, so you're equipped to browse consistently with everything in the right place. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide to setting up sync in Brave. With this setup, you can now experience seamless browsing across all your devices.